Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Now here, today we are going to start inshallah with one lesson of English, very interesting lesson. The name of that lesson is Thief Story. It's a very interesting and heart-touching story. We will have to see into the details, but first let us see as a summary what it is up to. Okay, now this lesson was written by Ruskin Bond. Now he is a very great writer of the English literature who is writing specially for the children. He got Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan also. Now he has written many of the stories. One of them is Thief Story. Let us see that story now. Thief, you know. Who is thief? Who snatches away the money or robs people. Now here there are two characters specially which are there in this story. They are Hari Singh and the other fellow is Anil. Now this person, Hari Singh, he is actually a 15-year-old teenager who is, one may say he is an orphan person, or he is an orphan, he does not have anybody in his, as a relative. So he is on the street every time and he robs people. He cheats them by having a sweet talk with them or taking them in the confidence and then letting all their money snatched away from them. Okay. Now here he one time comes across a person called Anil. Now Anil here described in this lesson is a 25-year-old young man who is easygoing, simple, honest person, and now Hari Singh wants to get friendly with Anil. After winning the confidence of Anil, he is staying with Anil. And after some time what happens is, one time Anil brings in a lot of money in his house. So Hari Singh, while Anil is sleeping at night, Hari Singh takes away all the money. But there is a change in his behavior. As soon as he takes away the money and after some time when he goes and is thinking of trying to fly away to another place, or when he is about to get himself into the train, at that time what happens is his mind changes. Why his mind changes? Because he starts thinking that Anil is the only person till now, till 15 years of age, within the 2 months or 1 month where he is living with Anil, and during that time what has happened, Anil is having a close bonding with this fellow Hari Singh, and every time he just makes in confidence, and every time Anil is having more confidence on this child and he motivates him to writing of the numbers and all, because as Hari Singh was an orphan and he has not gone to anywhere in the school. Now for the first time Anil is the person who is making him read and write. So he thinks while flowing away, or when he is taking away the money, eloping from that place, he thinks that Anil is the only person who has had confidence on him and always had trusted him. If he works for him continuously, maybe he can become a more matured person or educated person by living with Anil. So he comes back to Anil, and when he comes back to Anil, what happens is that Anil knows already that he had cheated upon. Anil was being cheated, that is known already by Anil, but he never shows to Hari Singh. Why? Because he wants that fellow as a teenager to become a mature citizen who can act in the society as a person, as a responsible person after getting the good education. So Anil is helping this Hari Singh as a teenager boy to become a good citizen of India after some time by changing his mind, psychologically diverting him, by making confidence in him as a good person, as a honest person. The Thief's Story. It was written by Ruskin Bond in the year 1934. He was an Indian author whose originality was from Britain. So it is called as the author of British descent. He lived with his adopted family in Landore in Mussoorie in India. The Indian Council for Children Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1992 for his work, which was very notable, that was Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. For this published work in English, he was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 1999 and Padma Bhushan in the year 2014. Okay, now let us see the main two characters here. The first character, who is the narrator. What do you mean by narrator? Narrator is a person who is himself dictating or telling the story. Okay, it is like a autobiography. He is dictating what happened in his life. Okay, here he is a 15-year-old young teenager at that time when the story had started, and he meets one person whose name is Anil. Anil is 25-year-old. He is described in this text as a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple, enough for my purpose. That means he was very easygoing. And what was the purpose of the thief? That 15-year boy, the purpose was to rob him, to cheat him after gaining his confidence. Now, he started the conversation where it started, at the match of the wrestling. When the wrestling match was going on, at that time, Anil was being approached by this thief. Now, he said that my name is Hari Singh. Every time Hari Singh, that is that 15-year-old boy who is narrating the story, is telling that he changed his name. Why he changed his name? He changed the name every time so that the people will not identify him. Because last time whatever the crime he has done will not be identified because of the name change every time. And he will be ahead of the police and his former employee. That is, ahead of the police means the police will not be able to identify or find out who that person was who had done the last crime. Plus my former employer, that means the last person whom he had cheated. After his introduction, he said to Anil that he wanted some work. Now Anil said that I can't pay you. He was not having much money. He was a very middle class or lower middle class person. So Anil said that I can't pay you. Then he said that I can cook for you. Anil said that okay, if you can cook for me, I will definitely pay you. That night when he cooked the food, it was very worst. The food was very bad in taste. So what Anil did? Anil gave it all away to the stray dog and said Hari Singh to move out from there. But Hari Singh all the time he was he was staying there only, and he was not ready to go. And he was having a smile on his face that made Anil understand that he is a very innocent and small boy and let him be kept in my house. So Anil supported him. He said, okay, I will let you understand how to cook. I will make you understand and teach how to cook. Plus, I will support you by making you write your name, all the different letters, and also maths. From this we understand that these orphan boy. What do you mean by orphan? A child who is not having parents. Now this boy, he was not having parents and nobody to take care of, so he had not got any education. So Anil started teaching him basic things, that is the alphabets and how to write his own name, and very small and minor things which are needed daily or day-to-day life. Now here we can understand till here that Anil was the person who understood Hari Singh to be a innocent boy, but actually Hari Singh was a very professional kind of a thief who wanted to cheat others. After gaining the confidence of Anil, he started to live with Anil. But he was out of his profession now, because in his profession what it was, every day to cheat people, take away their money. But it was too long now, and he had not done any kind of crime now. He was just honestly living with Anil and buying some markets for Anil. He was getting some small amount of money from that, but Anil didn't mind that thing. One evening Anil came home with a bundle of notes, and Hari Singh saw that. And at night Anil said that I had got this money from some publisher. That means Anil was working in publishing area, or printing some books and selling them. So from that he was earning his money. So now when Hari Singh saw this money, he got his mind that he is going to cheat on Anil. He is going to run away with the money. So he decided at night, he had totally planned. And when Anil slept at that time, Hari Singh put his hand inside the mattress where the money was and took out that money and flew away. That means he ran on the street, and straight he had gone to the railway station. He was thinking that I will catch the Lucknow Express at that time, and then I will move on to another city so that nobody will identify me and Anil will not be able to catch me. Okay? Till here, have you understood, my dear? Inshallah, we will continue next time. Thank you.